How to fix account picture error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Insufficient permissions can prevent Windows from saving new account pictures, leading to the account picture error. Ensuring proper permissions resolves the issue. Right-click the folder and select Properties. In the Security tab, click Edit. Select your user account and ensure full control is checked. Click Apply and OK, then try changing the account picture. If that didn't work, corrupted system files can cause the account picture error. Running both the System File Checker, SFC, and DISM tools repairs and restores essential files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, a corrupted user profile may lead to persistent errors. Creating a new account can help bypass this issue. Assign a username and password for the new account and complete the setup. Then go back to the Accounts section. Under Family and Other Users, select the newly created account and click Change Account Type. Under Account Type, pick Administrator and click OK. If that didn't work, if none of the above solutions resolve the issue, repairing the Windows installation can address deeper system errors. Click Reset PC. Select the option to keep your files and then press Cloud Download. Follow on-screen instructions to finish the process. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.